Hey everyone, what's up this weekend? If you're looking for an uplifting time and to get your body grooving, then you're in for a treat this weekend because it's going to be What's Your Move, a whole series of dance performances and outdoor workshops by the Esplanade. Get to experience all kinds of dance in Singapore on a single occasion. Imagine traveling the world through a diversity of dance and music. So think of Flamenco, Glasgow, Spanish, Charleston, Bollywood, Rumba, and so much more. So if you love dance and music, this would absolutely be an occasion to really immerse yourself. Each evening, sample a variety of short and sweet half-hour sessions of guided workshops and performances. What I really love about What's Your Move, it's really casual, so just about anyone can come and participate. You don't have to know dance at all because you will have instructors like myself. We will be demonstrating things that you can follow easily. And it's all about enjoying yourself and totally having fun with dance and music. We've been hard at work in the studio rehearsing so that we can present something wonderful for you to enjoy this Saturday, 22nd October. So head down and it's all free, part of the Esplanade's Dance Festival 2022.